Hi guys, Space Waffle back here again. This is doing some more Red Nose unboxing. Also, this is the last video I'll be doing on Red Nose boxing because I can't afford anymore and I don't have any money. So here's the pack. And here are the people trying to get the Franken Nose one. So let's wish for good luck. And we have got Sniffer, the dog. So we've got the dog. Woof woof. Got the owl. Nuzzle. Dr. Nose from yesterday's video. Also, we have the Snorcerer. So, please could you like, subscribe and comment. Also, I will be doing a video tomorrow maybe on Rocket League gameplay. So,